Hey, what's up, everybody? How you doing? This is Billy Josie here in Jacksonville, Florida. All you guys up here on my fan page. I was getting ready to head to bed, and I said, you know what? I didn't do a live video, so let me go on my fan page and do a live video for all the entrepreneurs on my fan page. And I entitled this video uh, the most common objections in affiliate marketing. And after I do this, uh, I'm going to bed. So the four most common objections, and I kind of written out some notes here, and I'll give you the notes, and I'm off to bed. So the most common objections in affiliate marketing. One would be, I don't know what it is. What is affiliate marketing? In its simplest term, affiliate marketing is not selling your own products. It's basically selling someone else's products, and they pay you a commission when someone buys that product. So you sell, for example, Amazon. Amazon is a big way to that if you want to sell other people's products, you can sell their products, and Amazon will pay you money for selling their products. So you get paid for what you sell. And again, your commission can be anywhere from 10%, 10%, or up to 100%. So it really depends on, the affiliate marketing, the model, and who you're getting it, and who you're going through, and whose products you're selling. Also, affiliate marketing, you may say, I don't know what it is. Just know this. It's $1 billion industry. That's $1 billion with a B. So if you don't know what affiliate market is, Google it. You can find out more about affiliate marketing. The other most common objection that people say is that I don't have any money. I don't have any money. I don't have any money to get started with affiliate marketing. The great thing is that you can get started with affiliate marketing with little to no money. Like you can get started with affiliate marketing for $49 or maybe $100. These days, there are free affiliate marketing programs that you can get started on. And if you don't know of any, feel free to leave me a comment in, and I'll let you know of a free one that you can get started with without putting in any money. All you got to do is just sell it and drop product. Somebody buys it, you make a commission off of it. So you don't really have to have any money. If you don't have any money, if you really want to start with affiliate marketing, where there is a will, there is a way. Where there is no will, there is no way. I had one of my good friends, fellow affiliate marketer, home business entrepreneur, Keisha Bass, said that, and that's always stuck with me. Third most common objection in affiliate marketing, I don't know what to sell. There's so many things you can sell. You can sell things in affiliate marketing in the home business industry. You can sell things on Amazon. You can sell different products. I mean, there's so many things that you can sell in affiliate marketing. You can probably put in any niche with it. If it's not in home business industry, it could be selling plants, selling orchids. There's an affiliate marketing company that sell orchids where you can sell orchids and make commissions off of different products. So affiliate marketing is a huge niche. It's a huge industry that you can make a lot of money in. And I think my last objection is that people say, you know what? I don't have the time. I don't have the time to do affiliate marketing. And I would say to you that you do have the time. If you can spend 3 to 4 hours watching TV Monday through Friday, you have the time. All you need is an hour to maybe 2 hours a day, sometimes less than that, if you really want to make money in affiliate marketing. So that's it. I always like to keep these lives short. I hope you got some value from that. And if you did, let me know in the comments that you did get some value from that. I would definitely love it and appreciate it. Again, this is Billy Josie, guys, aka the New Generation Marketer. Thank you for watching this live, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and good night.